Welcome back, my dear students, to the offline video series of Geography of Class 6. Today, in this video, we are going to start with a new lesson, Importance of Ocean. In this lesson, we are going to study about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and the importance of ocean, the things which we get from the ocean, and how ocean play an important role in our life. Hydrosphere is the area which is covered by water on the earth, while lithosphere is the area which is covered by land on the earth. All the small and big water bodies such as river, lake, pond, sea gets mixes to the ocean. To understand that the oceanic water consists mainly of salt, we are going to perform an activity. So let us study the activity.
So, if in first activity we have to use the ingredients 1 bowl of rice flakes, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 tomato and 1 small onion. Chili powder to taste. Mix all these ingredients well. Give the mixture to all your friends and ask them to taste it. Now add some salt to the mixture and taste it again. When you do so, you will understand that without salt, there is no taste to the ingredients. And after you add the salt, there will be a major change in the taste. In next activity, take some water in a steel dish as shown in the figure. It is better if the water is from a borewell. Keep the water directly into the sunlight. Don't remove the dish until all the water gets evaporated from it. Observe the dish after the water has been completely evaporated. You will notice that after the water has been evaporated completely, a whitish layer is left into the dish. If you will taste that whitish layer, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that these are the salts. In drinking water, the proportion of salt is quite low. Water from the oceans and sea has a greater amount of salt and hence it tastes salty.
There is abundant aquatic life on the ocean, right from the microscopic plankton up to the big and small aquatic plants and animals are present in the ocean. Different type of small and big aquatic animals are found in the ocean. Once they die, they remain and accumulate inside it. All the rivers which are flowing from hilly areas and mountainous regions get mixed into the ocean. Plus, the sedimented and eroded rocks also gets mixed with the water which is flowing with it. In both the above processes which I told you, the dead animals remains into the water, it accumulates inside it and it gets decomposed. During this process of decomposition and accumulation of plants and animals, various minerals and salts are released from their bodies, which get mixed with the water of the ocean. Volcanic eruptions takes place on land, and similar volcanic eruptions also takes place on oceanic bodies. During volcanic eruptions, different salts, ashes, minerals are released and they get mixed with the water of the ocean. The next topic which we are going to study is salt pans.
Due to continuous evaporation of oceanic water, the proportion of salts increases. All these things makes the ocean water more salty. The salinity of the oceanic water is different at different places. This salinity is expressed in terms of mils or particles per thousand. We obtain salt from salty waters of ocean. Salts as a substance is obtained by constructing the salt pans in the coastal areas as shown in the picture. Salt is an item which is required in our daily diet. Many minerals like phosphate, sulfate, iodine, etc. are obtained from the sea. We depend on ocean to some extent for some minerals.